In this video, I will walk you through the configurable integration of SmartRouting specific for Drake users. As a Drake user, you will be able to automate the process of printing tax returns. This creates efficiency and security by reducing human errors in the delivery of tax returns. Let me show you how this works. I have my client, Francis Fragrance, here inside of SmartVault. You'll notice I don't have this year's tax folders yet created. However, with the integration with Drake, we're going to create those. So as we dive in, I'm going to open up Francis Fragrance inside of Drake. From here, I'm going to assume that I've created and done all of the necessary actions to complete their tax returns. So we're going to navigate up here to the View Print button. SmartVault is configured to do both the federal and other miscellaneous types of returns. In this example, I'm just going to do the federal. When I choose print, we're going to make sure that the SmartVault PDF printer is chosen, and we're going to hit print. Now, what this does is SmartVault reads into this files and does a complete match off of a client. So what you see here is we are planning to smart route this directly to Francis Fragrance. If you are not sure whether or not this is the right one, you're able to open this up. Now, if this is not the right person, you can of course manually route this document into whichever client it's supposed to be in. However, remember the value here. We are all about making efficiency and automating this process. That's why the Smart Route button is automatically selected. So you can quickly take a look and say, yes, this is where it's going to go, and simply hit enter on your keyboard. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to generate the files and folders inside of SmartVault. So here I have the TY23 folder that was created, and we're automatically routing the tax return documents to the appropriate folder. That is where you're going to see a lot of time savings and efficiency in delivering your tax returns. To learn more about smart routing and how SmartVault can transform you, your staff, and clients to better work together, schedule a call with us today.